see. Not a secret recipe? No, fig jam, it is printed in the paper that comes with the box of pectin.
Yeah.
The only difference is the variety of figs we're using. There you go.
I did a little reading. Apparently the variety,
Yeah.
traffic.
The Nico, Well, that was just the fig. Let's see, we have exactly 3 pounds of figs now.
Ta-da!
And some extras. Do you want them?
I do.
I'm gonna test one with the knife. See which is easier to cut. And then I like the figs because they look interesting to me. They look like something that would be found on an alien planet. Rawr. Let's see. Is that
Tiny pieces.
like that? Does that seem tiny enough?
Yeah.
Quartering it. That looks about right. Fingers are sticking together. These figs are sticky.
They're sticky.
These sticky figs. What are you doing? Oh, I see. Instant pictures.
Insta.
There you go.
Say Cheetos. There you go. Cool the shades on. So we need a half a cup of water and a half a cup of lemon. Let's see if we get that. Yeah, there's the figs. And the lemon and water, they're down in there. I guess we'll add our sugar. How much sugar do we need? Okay, we need 7 cups.
Yeah, show fig tree. While we're waiting for the.
I gotta add the water here. I'll add and then I'll show it. Yes, we add hot water, so that helps. Because they'll be like, hey, is there a recipe for the fig Newtons? I think we posted it in the Discord.
I think it's in the Discord.
Probably. If not, it will go into the Discord. Right, there you go. That sounded so good. There you go. Jeez, they're cool. Yeah. There's the fig tree. It's starting to do fall colors on the leaves, though. There's still figs on it, but they're not ripe. There they are. There's more. And there's some that are way up there that I can't reach. That's about the jars. They look all lit up weird. There you go. Very nice. I mean, specific type of fig. Yes. The ones we have in the yard are honey figs. Yeah, the jars just look like white out.
Magical.
They're gonna look good once they have stuff in it. We need to add the pectin.
Yeah. That's the difference between the liquid pectin and the powdered pectin.
Powdered pectin you would have added first, but the liquid
and then add the sugar later.
And then add the sugar later, but then this it's reversed.
Yeah, you have to cook down the sugar and then add the liquid pectin. Goopy.
I forgot how long you're supposed to let the pectin boil in there.
So it just has to come up to a boil and then it's good.
Well, it was boiling when I added it, and it hasn't stopped.
Okay.
Since that's been boiling, and that's ready to go.
chat. Sells out in under 2 hours. Yeah, the Frankenstein and Frankenjam sold out in under 2 hours. Looks so
Smells
pretty.
good.
Yeah. That's in different shades of. Mom's name is Chris, okay. Oh, that looks cool. Those are pretty. Yeah, the sun's really shading it.
It's the sideways sun.
It's the sideways sunlight. That's almost ready. Oop, it's boiling. That's bubbling. Alright, since that's done and there's only the one round, we can shut that off. Nice. Oop. Alright, chat, you want to help? Up there. Me. There you go. Just keep yank them out. Some of them clacked already because there's a little button in the center, and then that button goes down when it clacks and cools. Yeah, looks like some of them sealed already. Yeah, this one, the little button that was in the center went down, so this one is sealed right here. And then it looks like that one's sealed too. Spread them out a little bit. Oh, there goes a clack. There's another one. Click clack. Science for the win. Crack open. This was the house batch, which was, and then this one's sealed properly, so it has a little bamboozled those leftover figs. Oh, I may have said to chat that you said that there wasn't enough in the pot, but I think you hid what was in the pot for yourself.
No, actually, there wasn't enough to scrape. It was like it's just.
Look at that. That's cool. Look at how translucent those are. Because the light's hitting it from the right angle, it looks like alien food. Gives. What's cooking? Fig jam. I'm really listening because of the light. You enjoyed telling dad jokes. Oh, Nightbot likes telling dad jokes. Oh no. Let's see. What do you get when you cross a bee and a sheep? A bah humbug. It's terrible. Well, good to know that. I think there's some on my nose.
Is there?
It feels like there is. There's some on my nose. A little bit.
No bet.
What?
What?
There we go. You want to hear a chimney joke? Got stacks of them. First one's on the house. Just a groan from that one. Proper dad joke. There you go. When you think of dad jokes, it's certain.
They're certain that they think about them, but not what they think about
All
them.
right then.
Okay. That's pretty good.
Clack.
I did not mean that for that to line up. I went like this and it clacked. I was just like, what?
Alright. Have a good rest of your day, guys.